Our next story is The Revenge of the Sugar Plum Fairies.
Yes, it's true what they say. I am a fairy. Oh, and you see, I'm not just any kind of fairy. No. Well, I'm actually the best kind of fairy there is, because I am a sugar plum fairy.
What are those, Mama?
And I live in the land of sweets. And the land of sweets is a land made out of candy and yummy sweet things. Our fences, instead of fences, they're graham crackers with icing sprinkled on it for snow. And our lampposts are made out of candy canes. And even our snowmen, they're made of marshmallows. They're so good. So, not only is it a wonderful place to live, oh no, it's a wonderful place to rule. That's right, I said rule. I am ruling the land of sweets right now because the prince who's in charge of it, he went away and left me in charge. So do you know what that means? Do you know what that means? That means that nobody, no parents, no adults, nobody can tell me that I can't eat all the candy I want. Oh my goodness, candy! I just love it so much. There's a knock at the door.
Oh no!
Yes? The prince has returned! Oh, it's so good news! And he had a fight with an evil mouse king while he was turned into a nutcracker? And what else? No. Really? Oh, this is terrible news! Oh my goodness! The prince, he was saved by a girl. Not a princess, not a fairy, or a sugar plum fairy. Sugar plum fairy. No, it was just a little girl, can you imagine? And the prince wants me to throw them a welcome home party tonight. Well, I'll do my best. That's right. I'll throw them a welcome home party. I'll welcome that girl here. I'll give her a welcome she'll never forget. There's only one option left. I guess I'm just gonna have to fight her. Here it goes. All or nothing. She got me! No! I guess my jealousy got the best of me. The end.